Yes, patents do become part of the public domain. Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And when do patents become part of the public domain? This public domain concept meaning part of the public, meaning owned by the public. Now this happens at the end of the patent rights, okay? The public doesn't own the ability to make, use, or sell your invention until your patent rights expire. Now, for utility patents, that could be 20 years after getting the patent issued or after the patent's been filed. On the design side, 15 years after issuance, so a long time. Now, patent applications do get published. Part of that exchange, right? You're giving up your invention, how to make or use your invention, and the government's saying, okay, thank you, here's your monopoly. We're going to reward you with this ability to exclude anyone else in the whole country from making, using, or selling your invention. Now, once you made that deal, once you've told the world, told the country about what your invention is, the patent office is going to publish that. They're going to share what you have done. And what that does is it allows us all to become smarter right away. We don't need to wait 20 years to learn about what you've invented. The beauty there, of course, is that inventors like you, competitors even, will be able to see what you publish, see your invention, and learn from you. And yep, you guessed it, they'll be able to improve and make adjustments and iterate. And they will do their best to design around, to find other solutions, and to make the world a better place. That is the whole concept. And in most cases, it doesn't take 20 years for those competitors to design around, to come up with better, cooler, faster, more efficient products. And so unless you've got something really groundbreaking, you're likely not going to be able to have commercial success for your patent for the entirety of the 20 years. It's likely you'll have first mover's advantage and have several years of enjoyment, but it's likely that that benefit, right, that publication will help your competitors. You get to be smart and do the same. Monitor the market, look at competitive products, find ways to continue to innovate. Don't stop with one patent. Continue to evolve and innovate and make the adjustments to how the market and customers are perceiving and what they want. Market demand typically will drive the right type of innovation. All right, everybody, have an awesome day out there. Go big, go bold.